12500 or the 277. Two sensor on a 12500, and it's really nice to see it appear more mostly. It's one of the only 62 reg early bus that was new to 388 as HEA1 in January 2013. It's now 11 years old, but it's now been with Bow for the 205. Probably some of the other buses of Euro 6, maybe if Euro R, won't become rack anymore, so it's probably transferred for replacement, and it's for some of the LTs at Bow that went to Super Loop. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching my videos.